Namaste everyone. You are watching Yoga with Thakur Anand Yogi, and today I'm going to teach you Yoga with wall. So let's start it. So please first sit with any comfortable posture. Make sure yourself is relaxed. Body stable, mind calm. And then chant mentally Om. And now please slowly join your hands together, okay? Rub your palms and place your palms on your eyes, muscle to your face muscles, and slowly open your eyes. Then inhale, bring the hands over the head, exhale, hands down. Now please bring yourself close to the wall. Now please once again try to be inhale, hands up. Exhale, right hand the wall, left hand to catch to elbow. Stretch your body to the right side please. Then exhale, left hand on the floor, right hand still remain on the wall. Then inhale, once again please. Exhale down. Inhale, once again catch the elbow, stretch your side. And exhale, hand down. Inhale, once again. Yes, then exhale, left hand on the floor. Inhale, once again try to catch elbow maximum, try to stretch your body from side. Then look to the left side, hold it. And then exhale, place left hand down, right hand still remain on the floor, maybe touch tip of fingers on the wall. Then look down please. Make sure posture is correct. Now opposite sides please. So for that I will change my side, okay? Here I will look behind, okay? As you can see, same thing, left hand on the wall, right hand to catch the elbow please. Then right hand down, come back, inhale just to come to center again, and then exhale. Now inhale, once again come to center please, catch the elbow, look to right side. Exhale, right hand down please on floor. Then inhale, come to center, maximum try to stretch from side, maybe shoulder joints, okay? Maximum you can hold here. And then exhale, right hand down please, left hand still remain on the floor, look down. Yes please. Then inhale center, exhale hands down. Now bring yourself just close to the wall. Now both hands down and slowly bring both legs up. Make sure try buttock touch on the wall and slowly lay down please, okay? Then legs straight, back straight. Then inhale, bring hands over the head. And then exhale, once again bring hands beside your hips. Now Pawanmuktasana, half. Try to touch forehead to knee. And then exhale please. Right side, first make left leg straight. Inhale, bend right leg. And then exhale, catch to shin bone slowly. Bring head up, try to touch forehead to knee. Then inhale, right leg straight, exhale down. Now bend both legs please, okay? Here then the right leg we have to place, okay, here on the left knee. Then slowly make both hands straight and place on the shin bone please. We can hold maximum 2 minutes, 1 minute, depend on you. Then cross hands please, okay? Here then join your hands, then hold here please, maximum time. Then left hand to catch the ankle with the of right leg. Then right hand over the leg please. Then hold straight the leg. Then please change side, okay? Here then now left foot on your right knee. Then make sure you both hands straight, okay? Here then slowly cross your hands between the legs, okay? Here now join your hands, try to make elbows close maximum. Then hold a very good posture for hip. Yes, please. Now right hand to catch the left ankle joint properly. Try to stretch your leg. Left hand over, please. Just under to knee. Then hold here. And then bring the left leg on the wall, please. Now Pawanmuktasana, inhale, try to touch and exhale here. Now pull it up, please, and then little bit step forward, okay, up. Then pull his back maximum. Then the right leg straight here. Then the left leg straight. Then place left leg down here. Yes. And slowly bring hips down on the wall. Once again, please try to touch forehead to knee on Pawanmuktasana. Air release posture. Now please. Now we have to come into the butterfly, okay. This posture also very good for hip. We can hold it longer as much you can. It will be very comfortable for you and very useful for hip. Very helpful. Yes, please. Then split, okay. After that we can do splits. Maximum you can try, okay. Here bring the right leg down, left leg down, little bit walk down your legs and then hold here maximum 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depend on you. Or maybe sometime you can put some weight with the left and the right. Now once again come to the butterfly, please, here. Now we practice the Kandasana. Right hand to ankle, left hand to knee. Pull your knee beside the wall, right foot just beside you. Then same thing, pull your knee just wall, left foot close to you. Same thing as you can see in the image. We are pulling, we are stretching to activate our joints. Actually in this Kandasana, the 3 joints work together, especially the ankle, the knee and the hip. Yes, first we have to stretch one by one legs. Now we try with both legs. Catch both and to then please rotate the joints as you can see here. The heels will touch beside to the abdominal or the navel. Hands on knees first, then hold maximum, then hands down. Kandasana. Then slowly please place your foot on the wall, then make your legs straight. Now bring hand beside and little bit try to jump with one knot. And then exhale. Slowly please come okay here like that. And come to the cat and cow. Then take little rest okay here into child posture. Then please come up again. Slowly walk forward. Just come beside the wall, please. Yes, please make sure your knees, your back should be straight, close to the wall. Yes, please. Now the leg straight. Now left leg straight, okay here. Just beside the wall, please, okay here, remember. Still remain, then right hand to catch the right heel. Left hand over the head, please. Then hold. Maximum you can, okay here. And then inhale once again center. Exhale, left hand to place on your left shin bone, right hand over the head. Come back again. Exhale down. Now change side, okay here, same posture. Make your right leg straight, okay here, just beside the wall, place. Inhale. Then exhale, rotate your shoulder internally, then catch the heel, place. Bring your right hand over the head, maximum arch your back here. The pelvis region still remain just beside the wall. Remember, please. Then inhale, center. And then exhale. Once again, right hand on your shin bone, left hand over the head. Make sure your knee, your spine, your hands equal line. And exhale, come to center. Now please, both legs we can do, okay, the camel posture. Okay, remember the pelvis region, the pubic bone, just close to the wall. First bring the right hand back, then the left hand back on the heels. Yes, pull hip forward. This time remember knee, our hips should be equal line. Hold maximum you can try. I just told you 1 to 5 minutes or 1 to 3 minutes, depend on you. And then come to center, okay here. Inhale, hands up. Yes, please. Make sure spine is straight, okay, here. Yes, and then exhale, hands down. Now, we're going to change, okay, a little our side, okay, here. One more time, the big touch, still touch on the wall, please. Then come to the child posture again. Then look straight. Now please come to the downward facing, okay, here. That's heel still touch on the floor. Please remember the bring point just now. And then bring the right leg up. Then make sure your hands little cross. Yes, please. Sorry, this is the light. I just turn off the light switch off. That's why. So now bring your right leg up maximum and try to properly stretching the legs, okay, and try to touch from the wall if possible for you. Now change the side, okay, here. Now bring the left leg up first, okay, here. Very good. Then bring hands step by step close to the wall maximum, and then try to touch forward the wall maximum. Stretch back in the legs. Again come to the down facing, okay, here. Stretch your back, okay, stretch your legs, stretch hands. Now please inhale, bring your right leg up over again, and then bend right leg to, okay, then step down, then come to the chakrasana, okay, here first, and then bring first the right leg up, left leg up, then the right leg. Both legs try to make straight, okay, into the handstand. Linkarasana. Yes, please. Depend on you. Depend on your flexibility, how much you can bend here. Then come back again into Pawanmuktasana. Yes, please. To reduce the back pain or for relax, come into the Pawanmuktasana. Yes, please. So again turn yourself. Again come to the downward facing here. So same posture with opposite side, please. So now left leg up and then leg down. Yes, please. Again come to the chakrasana, okay, the variation. Yes, please. Again make hands close. Then again bring slowly one leg, then both leg up. Then hold here, please. Yes, try to hold here. Take your time. And then once again bring leg down. Again come to the Pawanmuktasana for release all kind of stress from the back. Yes, I'm sure you will feel very comfortable after Pawanmuktasana. Again turn yourself and come here, please. Now hip just touch the beside to the wall, make leg straight. Yes, then try to touch your forehead to shin bone. Maximum stretch back and stretch legs. Then inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now turn yourself toward the wall. Make sure gap is still comfortable for you. Yes, and then left leg front side, please. Right leg still straight, but right foot remember at 65 degree. Hands up, then slowly twist for the right hand close, and then the left hand, okay. Maximum try to twist, try to make shoulders equal. Then inhale, again center. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Now make right foot straight. Again try to touch forehead to knee, please. Very good. Then inhale, come to the center again. Exhale, hands to your waist. Now Gapchin Chai here. Left leg, little pull hip down. Very good posture for hip also. In this posture we need more strength, okay, here, because we are going to back bend, so it will be press our back more and press our legs more. So we need to carry the weight here. So inhale, slowly go back, and then exhale, bring hands over the head. Then slowly inhale, center. Exhale, make leg straight and hands down, please. Yes, look down. Make sure you are comfortable now. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Change the side, please. Now same posture. Now inhale, bring the left hand over the head. Exhale, twist to the right side, please. Then cross your hands, then interlock the hands, okay, here. Try to make sure you both shoulders equal line here. Then inhale center, exhale, bend the side please. Yes, you can catch the ankle joint please. Then forehead to knee. Then inhale, come to center, exhale to your waist. Then please gapchan 5, pull the hip down please. Okay, here maximum. Remember the left leg should be tight. Okay, here, and left leg may be 65-degree angle. Then inhale, pull yourself back, exhale, hands over the head. Then again inhale, come to center, exhale, hands down, look down please. Your ear just beside the shin bone. Now please inhale center, exhale, down please. Now again little bit turn ourselves. Okay, here just beside the wall. Again try to stretch please. Okay, here. Yes, forehead to knee please. Pawanmuktasana. Now please slowly bend to knees please. Okay, here. Your knee just close to the wall. Okay, here maximum. Remember, maybe this posture quite difficult. Okay, here. And then stretch please. Okay, here to upper body. Okay, in the shoulders. Hold for a while and then come back please again. Okay, here. Now first we have to, okay, here the left leg, bring the left leg forward and pull the hip down. Very good for hip open also please. Remember this posture. Your knee ankle should be equal line. Inhale, lift chest. Okay, slowly adjust yourself. If you think you are not feeling good, adjust yourself, then arch back. Okay, here. Head on the foot on the sole please. Then both hands to catch to your foot. Okay, here. Make sure elbows close. Don't bring your left knee the left side please. Then again bring hands down. Okay, this posture also good for hip. Then hands down. Okay, here. Then slowly make your left leg straight. Okay, here. This posture will be more quite difficult, but remember, try to knee remain just close to the wall and touch head to the sole of your foot. So please then both hands to try to catch the foot. Okay, or maybe down, and then slowly bend forward here. Take rest and change the side please. Here now same thing, the knees just close to the wall, maximum pull hip down. Remember, or maybe you can touch tip of the big toes on the wall please. Then adjust yourself, hand just beside. Okay, here. Then inhale, arch your back slowly. First place your top of the head on the sole, foot sole, and then with the both hand catch foot and make elbows close maximum. And then slowly again both hands please. Okay, here, elbows on the floor and try to hold please. Posture good for hip. Now right leg straight. Okay, here. Once again try to arch your back, the top of the head on the foot, or then after it maybe you can catch the ankle, maybe shin bone or maybe knee if you have good flexibility. So please now again come back and please bend forward. Make sure yourself is relaxed. Yes please. Now again we have to please now come to the handstand. Okay, here. Handstand, remember carefully. Okay, sometime maybe you will fall down, maybe you lose balance, so we need to be very careful. Okay, here. Make sure your full body is straight with the, just like a wall. Okay, so we can hold your 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Very good for strengthening the arms. You can do handstand also here. And slowly walk forward, then bring right leg down, then left leg please. And then sit just beside the wall. Okay, here. Mix leg straight, back straight, and relax yourself. So like that my friends, we can practice yoga with wall also. Wall also. So make sure yourself is relaxed. Or you can chant mentally Om. After please rub your palms. Place your palms on your eyes. Thank you so much. Be with me. Namaste. See you.